Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, the place where car lovers get the most detailed, unique, and exciting information about the latest automotive innovations. If you're a fan of iconic cars with a legendary past and a fresh modern twist, you're in for a treat today. Because in this video, we're diving into one of the most nostalgic comebacks in the auto world, the return of the Citroën 2CV for 2026. That's right, the legendary French classic that defined an era is back with a modern soul, retro design, and all new capabilities. Let's explore how this car went from humble beginnings to becoming an iconic symbol, and how the 2026 version is shaking up the market once again. First, let's talk about what the Citroën 2CV really is. The 2CV, or 2 chevaux, meaning 2 horsepower, was first introduced by the French automaker Citroën back in 1948. It was designed with one goal in mind: to provide a simple, affordable car that could drive across a plowed field without breaking a basket of eggs. Yes, that was literally the design brief. It was the French people's car, designed to get farmers and ordinary citizens moving with comfort, practicality, and minimal cost. With its soft suspension, minimalist build, and low price, the 2CV quickly became a beloved symbol of post-war freedom and mobility. It was never about speed or luxury, it was about charm, utility, and doing more with less. The original 2CV was in production until 1990 and sold over 5 million units worldwide. It became especially popular in France, of course, but also found a strong following in the UK, Germany, and parts of Africa and South America due to its ruggedness and repair-friendly engineering. France remains the country where the 2CV had its deepest roots, with entire generations growing up with this car in their driveway. Today, you can still see vintage 2CVs in small towns across France, and collectors from around the world pay good money to keep these classics alive. Fast forward to 2026, and Citroën has done something bold. They've reimagined the 2CV not just as a retro nod to the past, but as a modern, efficient, and fun city car that respects its roots while adapting to the needs of today's drivers. The new 2CV keeps that unmistakable rounded design, corrugated body style, and thin fenders that pay homage to the original. But this isn't just a cosmetic revival, it's a totally new vehicle from the ground up. Built on the new Stellantis small car platform, the 2026 Citroën 2CV combines classic design with the latest in electric mobility, lightweight materials, and digital tech. Performance-wise, the 2026 2CV isn't about blistering acceleration or corner-carving capabilities. Instead, it focuses on practical performance for urban life. The base model is equipped with a fully electric motor delivering around 80 horsepower and 160 Nm of torque, more than enough for city driving and light cruising. Thanks to its ultra-lightweight body, the 2CV is nimble, responsive, and incredibly easy to maneuver through narrow European streets or tight urban parking spots. A more premium variant also offers a slightly stronger electric motor, reaching up to 100 horsepower and a top speed of around 140 km/h. Not bad for a car that was originally known for crawling along rural backroads. Fuel efficiency, or more accurately in this case, energy efficiency, is where the 2026 2CV really shines. Citroën has tuned the electric drivetrain to maximize urban range, offering up to 320 km on a single charge with the standard 40 kWh battery pack. That makes it perfect for daily commuting, weekend shopping trips, and zipping around town without range anxiety. For those who need more distance, there's an optional extended battery offering around 400 km. Charging is quick, and painless too, with support for 50 kW fast charging that can juice the battery from 20 to 80% in just about 30 minutes. As far as capabilities go, the new 2CV stays true to its roots. It's not trying to be an SUV or a luxury sedan. Instead, it offers outstanding ride comfort thanks to Citroën's progressive hydraulic cushions, giving it a soft, bouncy suspension that laughs in the face of potholes and rough roads. It's also got a surprisingly roomy interior despite its compact footprint. Clever design choices like a flat floor, fold-flat rear seats, and generous headroom make the 2CV an ideal urban utility vehicle. Need to haul a few grocery bags, a plant from the garden center, or even your dog? The 2CV makes it simple. Now, let's talk about key features that make this car stand out. The 2026 2CV comes equipped with a minimalist yet high-tech digital cockpit, featuring a simple touchscreen interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a clever heads-up display for essential driving info, sustainable fabric upholstery made from recycled materials, and optional removable roof panels for that vintage open-air feeling. You also get Citroen's advanced comfort seats, smart storage compartments, and even a built-in picnic kit option, a fun tribute to the 2CV's heritage as a vehicle for the people. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The new 2CV includes lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, all things you'd never dream of in the original version but essential for modern drivers. There's also a unique app-based keyless entry system that allows you to share car access with friends or family with a few taps on your phone. In terms of price, Citroën is positioning the 2026 2CV as an affordable entry point into EV ownership. Starting at just around €21,000 in Europe, it undercuts many competitors while offering more style, charm, and personality. Even the higher-end trims with extended battery and extra tech features stay below the €26,000 mark. That makes it not only one of the most characterful EVs on the market but also one of the most accessible. The selling point of the new 2CV isn't raw power, luxury, or futuristic looks. It's all about personality, simplicity, and delivering everything you actually need without the extra fluff. It offers drivers a car that's affordable, environmentally friendly, easy to use, and filled with nostalgic charm. In a world where many EVs are starting to look alike, the 2CV dares to be different. It doesn't chase trends, it revives a legacy. So, who is this car for? It's for urban drivers who want something fresh, fun, and practical. It's for the eco-conscious commuter who wants electric without breaking the bank. And it's for anyone who ever fell in love with the original 2CV or simply wants a car that feels human in a digital age. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Citroën 2CV, a timeless classic reborn for the future. It proves that sometimes the best way forward is to remember where you came from. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you buy the new 2CV? Do you think Citroën nailed the revival, or is it too retro for today's world? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more automotive deep dives right here on AutoHub Info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.